Hey guys, how's it going? My name is Adam. Today I'm gonna show you how to add Presto card to Apple Wallet Canada. So first of all, what you need to do, you need to go ahead and open up your settings on your iPhone. So what you're gonna do next, you can just go ahead to your app in wallet. Okay, app in wallet. You're gonna find it somewhere here if you scroll a little bit down. Somewhere right here. Yeah, wallet and Apple Pay. And what you're gonna do next, you're gonna just go ahead and click add card right here. And basically what you're gonna do, you're gonna just go ahead and add a debit card or credit card or a transit card, and then basically add the name and verify your Presto card. So let me know in the comments if this video helped you. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.